Hi, this is Greg Sprunk with Superior Cleaning Equipment, wash rack design, and we're out here today at a transfer station for a large national, worldwide actually, refuse hauler, where we put in a wash rack that's got wash and rinse. We're using a bio system. This is one of the toughest wash racks to treat. You get a lot of organics, a lot of different things in the water here, and so what we did is we came up with a large trench design, about a 2 foot by 2 foot deep. Got a hot water wand on the one side, cold water wand on the other. This system's been in place about 6 months, and we don't like to come out here right when they're brand new. We kind of want to show you what we're doing now. So it's been used pretty heavy, mostly trash trucks, outsides, some insides, hopefully not too many. Or what the architect decided to do was they've got a block, kind of a block wall structure here to mount stuff to, and then they use slat wall, chain link with slat wall in between it on the roof and everything else with removable panels on the outside. So that way it's easy to service and get to. We'll walk around here in a minute to the back in the equipment and take you a tour on, I'll take you on a tour of the equipment room here. Just real quickly, there's a little berm here, as you can see in front of this trench drain. That's because we want to divert a lot of the water out to the end or the middle of the trench drain before it gets into here and carries over into a fiberglass sump. And we'll go inside and show you that. Inside the equipment room here, we've got a large water maze fiberglass 3x3 by 4.5 catch basin. And what this unit does is it comes off the trench drain into here, and then the water flows into this catch basin. It's encased in concrete, so it's double containment. And then because we've got so many different kind of particles, organics, you know, just miscellaneous stuff, we put a indexing paper filter on the system. You can see that that's catching a lot of debris. The excess dirty paper rolls off the front as this fills up, and keeps that from going into our biological system. Right here is kind of the heart and soul of the system. You've seen this in some of the other videos that we've done for golf and turf, but we use the same unit here. It's called a CLB 603. This one's outfitted with automatic pH controller, and so it's got your sump pump, your transfer pump, ozone pump for your final tank, aeration pump. You got your purge system, hour meter, voltage lights, and then you got right here, you've got your microbe and nutrient pumps, and then you've got your pH pump to feed in alum, keep your pH down. And all of this there's a 600-gallon tank in here, along with the with all the pumps on the bottom there, on the back of the system. So it's a complete system right here for recycling. And then what we did after that, in order to get some good dwell time on a bio system like this with oils and organics and stuff, is we put in 2,000-gallon cone bottom tanks. And these tanks both have what's called VBT 300 air sticks. These air sticks put out a lot of aeration and millions of microbubbles into both of these tanks 24/7. So we're injecting microbes in this first tank, and then they're traveling and gravity feeding to this tank, over to the next tank, and then as we come down here, we've got a finished water tank in here. And this finished water tank's got a line from the CLB 603, and that is constantly being ozonated from the main system. So this is what's feeding the pressure washer here. Over here in the back side, we've got an SEHW 6 gallon a minute at 3,500 PSI unit. It's got the LanCom wireless remote control option on it. This operator can take this and run out, turn the unit off, or on. And then we've also, that's for recycled water, and then we also have a freshwater rinse here with our SEA 3 to 1,000. These are both belt drive units, both have Landa pumps in them, all stainless steel frame and housing in this unit here for the rinse. And then of course this has got your big skid unit here, 15 horsepower motor, adjustable thermostat, hour meter, really for a diesel stationary unit, kind of the Cadillac of diesel stationary units that are out there. So basically that's what happens. The water runs through your sump pit, goes into your indexing paint polishing filter. We use 20 micron, sometimes 5 micron paper in there, up through your CLB. In this particular case, very, very large aeration tanks to your finished water tank, which then feeds your recycled water back out onto the wash pad where we first started. So we thought you'd just like to see that. I'm proud of it. You guys did a great job. If you look back on behind some of this stuff, when we do installations, we use all Unistrut. We use all Schedule 80 PVC. We make sure that we keep the piping off the floor. It's all uniform and tight. And our project managers do an outstanding job of that. We've got about probably $2,000 to $3,000 just in materials here, but it's going to hold up very well and last for hopefully decades. So once again, thanks for watching the video, and thanks for being our customer, and look forward to another great installation the next time we see you.